Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Two Toys channel. This episode, Kaido House, recent release. The blister mini GTs at the back. I've already covered that in the previous episode, so you can check that out. So in this episode, I want to focus on the three new Kaido House. We have the AE86, the E30, and also the Silverado. Now, based on votes on my YouTube channel, right? Yeah, the Silverado has the highest number of votes. Okay, this is actually a very nice design. Kaido House number 236, Chevy Silverado Dually Hot Rod V1. Okay, got it. This is the inner box design. Black, matte black and gold. Matte black and gold. It looks fantastic. 525, not sure what does that mean. Let me know if you know what does that mean, okay? So I'm going to put it down there. I've already got it out of the box. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Matte black and white. Checkered roof. Oh, 525 on the side. Kaido House Speed Shop. Very nice matching wheels as well. Look at that. Kaido House. What? Kaido House something. Speed Shop. Okay, front and rear. Very deep dish rear. Not a new casting. We've seen quite a few of these already. But easily this is my favorite of all the Silverados. Oh, so satisfying. Side exiting exhaust with a tow hook at the back. Ooh, spider web as well. Okay, it does say something up here on the window. Speed Shop 2. Yes, tailgate openable. Chevy logo on the rear axle. Kaido House Speed Shop. Venice CA. Pop the hood. Ooh, okay. There's more spider webs in there. This is actually pretty cool. Very nice. Very nicely done. Okay, next would be the Kaido House number 214, Toyota E86 Sprinter Trueno Kaido Advan. Okay, licensed by Toyota 2. Alright, let me get it. Yes, here we go. In Advan colors. Another addition to the Advan cars from Kaido House. Okay, pop-up lamps. So this pop-up lamps, there is a switch down here that you can push it up or down. There. Yep. I can just push it down, right? Yep. There. Okay, that's when the headlights are down and it's really the switch is very short. So yeah. Nice. Anyone else watch Donut Media from James Humphrey days? Remember his song about the pop up and down headlamps? Oh, whenever I see pop up headlamps, I will. Yeah, that song comes screaming back to me. Anyone else having that problem? Okay, check out the rear. That's the iconic AE86 taillights that we know so well from Initial D. Nice. The white color rims. I'm not sure about this actually. White rims. What do you guys think about the color combination? Black, red, and white rims. Very dark color barrel. And white rims. Okay, interior really very nicely done. A couple of different colors. Carbon fiber dash, red color steering wheel, red color seats. Roll cage is in black. Everything else is in black. Okay. Overall, pretty cool. A pretty cool casting. Okay, so this one I do have the chase that I can show you guys. Here we go. That's the KW logo down there. So instead of red, the red colors, you'll get raw colors. So I do wonder how do they treat this. It's a two paint or base paint red and decal black. I think it's also paint. This does look quite good actually. With the front bumper like that. Right, this look quite cool, right? So chase occurs once, no once, 1 in 24. I forgot to pop up the hood for you guys to see. So yeah, headlamps can be popped up and you can see the 4AGE engine in there. I think it's 4AGE, I don't know. That 4AGE is the engine it comes with. Is that a 4AGE? Let me know. Okay, right, comes with a switch as well. But yeah, it's just so short that I can't reach it. So Kaido House all metal base. Can I pull it up like that? Oh, the mechanism feels a little bit off. There, okay, a little bit. There we go, there we go. Got it. Okay. Cool. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. It does look quite cool with the unpainted bodyworks. Okay, next. Kaido House number 242. BMW M3 KaidoWorks V2 in green. Okay, licensed by BMW as well. Got it out. So this casting is pretty cool. In this Kaido House livery, pretty much I can say DTM inspired. The most recent one was the 711. That is easily my favorite, which is the collaboration model with Larry Chan, who actually has an E30 and he races it. So this would be the latest variant in green. BMW M Power, very nicely done on the wing. Green and white color combination with blue. That's Imai's name, Jun Imai. Blue color bucket seats, black steering wheel, carbon fiber dash. This color combination actually is quite nice. Very nice set of rims with the cover in front and dip dish. This look like it's a BBS rims, right? Yep, BBS. So is the grille corrected? Yeah, still a little bit slanted upwards. That's what happened with the 711 ones. There's some sort of QC issue with those. There we go, you can pop up the engine bay. Pretty cool. Very nice. Very nice. All three kind of looks great. It's just that matte black looks so freaking good. Then we have the chase version of the BMW E30. Before that, right, just show you the inner box a little bit. Yeah, blue green, pretty cool. Blue green and white color combination. I think it looks pretty good. So the green chase, raw body, green side mirror, and somewhat green spoiler. Okay, the BBS logo at the back, very nice. Interior in same in white, same interior, right? Yeah, it's same, identical interior. Blue seats, yeah, same. Check out the grille. Does it curve upwards? Looks okay. Side view looks pretty cool. Mini GT logo here. Kaido House. Nice. Nice. Engine bay. Pretty standard. Metal base. Yeah, not a new casting. There we go. Oh, I'll just do a quick show of the... I didn't open this one up just now. There we go. Identical to the regular version. There's a Grady branding in there too. Very nice. Nice. Not bad at all. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's the latest Kaido House. Which would be your pick? Seems to be voted. Yes, the Silverado in my black. That gets my vote as well. Let me know what you guys think. So do hit the like button because that helps me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any other scale model videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.